Setting up Visual Studio the right way can save you hours of confusion during development. I am AJ, a .NET developer with around 4 years of experience building applications using ASP.NET Core, C#, SQL Server, REST APIs, and modern development tools. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process for Visual Studio. To start .NET and .NET Core development properly, I'll show you which workloads you should install. Now I'll show you how to set everything up properly. Step 1. Click on Search option. Then, open Visual Studio Installer. Step 2. In Installation section, click on Select from Available option. Step 3. Select Visual Studio Community 2026 version for installation. Step 4. In Workload section, select ASP.NET and Web Development for ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core Application Development. Step 5. Scroll down. Then, select .NET Desktop Development for Windows Form and Console Application Development. Step 6. Now open the Installation drop-down menu and select Download All, then Install. After that, click on the Install button. Visual Studio will begin downloading all the required workloads. Once the download is complete, the installation process will start automatically. Note, depending on the workload you select, the total download size and installation time may vary. If you want to add or remove workloads later, you can reopen the Visual Studio installer and click on the Modify option for your installed version of Visual Studio. While the installation finishes, grab a coffee and take a moment to appreciate how far you survived in life so far. Here you have it. Visual Studio has been successfully installed. Now click on the Launch button to open Visual Studio. After opening Visual Studio, the Create a New Project screen will appear automatically. From here, you can select any project template to start your development journey. For .NET Core application development, Visual Studio provides pre-built templates to make development easier and faster. You can select any template from the list based on your project requirements, such as Web API, MVC, Console App. If there's any specific .NET technology you'd like explained from web application or API creation to code optimization tips and tricks, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.